How to turn a professional account on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to turn off professional account on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Tap profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Tap three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Scroll down. Now select the option for Account, Creator Tools and Control under for Professionals and scroll down. Now tap Switch Account Type. Tap Switch to Personal Account and to confirm, select Switch to Personal Account. Wait for a few moments and go back to your profile feed. Then you'll finally see that your account has been switched back to personal and the professional account on Instagram has been turned off. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.